Okay, well, this piece that we're going to do right now is basically a fat quarter. Actually, it's twice that, but it's still going to fold out to be the same size as a fat quarter. So I'm going to use the same exact measurements as I used on the less than a yard piece. I'm going to put it, make it 14 inches. Like I said on the other video, have marked my table so that it has lines on it that will give me approximately, well, exactly on the table, but to my folding technique, approximately 14 inches. Even if this was just one layer of fabric, I would do the same exact thing, fold it back. Then I would fold the fat quarter in half with the top folded down. And here's my starting point again. Smooth it. Use the same template that I used in the other video, which is 4 inches wide, and I have a line at the 5-inch point. Fold up the bottom, fold down the top, bring this over, bring it up to the bottom of the template, and slide it in to the opening folded at the top. I mean, you can be as fussy with these as you want. I am kind of a nudge, so there you go. And when I'm doing these without a video, it's a lot quicker. But there you go, ladies. I can, let's see how much time is on there. 2 minutes. I've got enough time to do another one. Let's see if this one's smaller. This will be a 20. This should be about 18. Nope. It seems to me that a lot of my fat quarters, where I buy them, the double fats, come out at, there we go, 18. Come out at 20 inches, and I fold those slightly the same way, but they look different. They're not as thick. All right, fold the top down so that the piece winds up being 14 inches long. In case you're wondering why I chose 14, I just like the size of the finished product at 14. You could probably adjust it to whatever you want it to be. Fold it in half. Template at 5 in the center. No, I do not have a mark for center. I eyeball it. Pull it over nice and snug. Fold it up. Turn it. Hold it. Pull my template out. And you really could use a piece of plexiglass, because that's inexpensive, and just cut that. My husband had cut this for me, and it happened to work. So that's why my template is as it is. Aluminum. All right. And there you have it, ladies. Another one that will stand up. Well, that's a different size stack, but it'll stand up with the stack. Thank you, ladies. Hope that helps.